Okay, so this is card number 6. Whoops, let's take that out of the plastic because you get nothing but glare. And it is just a simple card. So let's get going. And this little guy you'll have to fussy cut or die cut. And on the inside, I'm going to flip this over just because my Mossy Meadow is going to be the piece that's going to go down first. And then my Very Vanilla will go on top of that. And I chose the Very Vanilla because this red Poppy Parade and Very Vanilla. I love red and white, but it's not one of my favorites. So this is embossed. It's embossed with, find the name of it. It's called Beautiful Pattern. And give me just a minute here and I'll emboss it. And this is a 3D folder, so you will need to use your number 1 plate and either your blue or your I have a gray one. The first one that came out was blue that was designed for this. And so they came out with a new machine. They came out with the gray plate. And so that gives us a nice little background right here. Let's go ahead and attach that to the front. There's no ribbons going around or anything. So let's attach it. Come on, grab. Okay, so the front of the card. I'm going to set this aside. And let's get our bone folder and crease this really good. And then we'll just attach this right here. Okay, and then I have a piece of Poppy Parade. And you should have a piece of Designer Series paper that's cut to go on the front of that. I think I need my mat, a silicone mat, so this will stick, will work a little better. Okay, and I'm going to attach these two together, just leaving a tiny, tiny silicone mat. So we're going to have to fight with that thing one more time. Do that. Let's grab that. And this just makes this tape runner work. Oh, well, I'm out of tape, so that would be why it's not working. Let's grab an example. And put that in there. These tape refillers are going up in, these tape refills are going up in price. So keep in mind, by May 1st, they're going up in price. All of our adhesives are increasing in price on May 1st. So make sure you get yours before then to save yourself a little money. And I just grabbed a new one, so I have a few new ones. I accidentally ordered the whole case instead of ordering refills one time, so I'm still using those. Okay, so we're going to attach this right here. Just make sure your berries look like they're right side up. I don't know that they really have. Of Poppy Parade and another piece of Designer Series paper, and you're just going to attach those two together, and that's the plaid. So we're going to use the plaid side on this, and they should be pretty close to the same size. And we're going to attach this to the front of that. You can if you want to. full. It goes all the way to the edge of the paper. Okay, now we have a greeting. Stamp the happy birthday. I don't want to stamp that on that. Same happy birthday again. I did find in number 2 in the instructions the correct greeting. It was, I think I stamped this in the wrong location. So we're going to flip this one over because it doesn't make any difference. I need to go further to the right on this one. Messy stamp, huh? And we're going to attach that right in here. And I'm going to go all the way to the edge of the Designer Series paper. So you should have a circle and a very vanilla circle, and you're going to attach those two together. I'm going to go to glue. Just like that. Cut either one, whichever you choose. You can still get the dies, even if you've already got your kit and you decide you want the dies, you can still order them. So just let me know and I can give you the number and you can place an order. And receive Stampin' Rewards with that order, even if you do order just the dies, because they're like $32 or $30-something plus your shipping and tax. So you would get Stampin' Rewards with that. Okay. This one, we have a little ladybug. These little ladybugs are so adorable. I love them. Also available online. And I'm just going to add that little ladybug to the leaf. Okay, let's put our circle on here, and I do believe I put this on dimensionals. I did. So because this is up high enough, I'm just going to attach that, and then I'm going to put my dimensionals on the top portion because it's going to need that support right under here. So I'm just going to guesstimate where it's going to go. And if I guess wrong, guess what? I'll be pulling off one. I'm pretty sure that's where it's going to go, as long as I put my glue in the right place. Sorry, he's not a worm, he's a caterpillar. Okay, and then you have, that's it. That is card number 6. I had to stop and think, what number is this? So just really, really simple and fun. So, and you could use any greeting you want. Thinking of you, happy birthday is a good one. And, or anything that you have in your stash. I'll see you at card number 7.